Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold dollar, I definitely still think we're in a wave 3. I think this is a 1. I think this is a 2. I personally still think we're in a wave 3, and most wave 3s do go up to the 161% Fibonacci extension. I personally still think this is going to go up towards that 2550 area, eventually probably go down and make a wave 4 and back up for a wave 5. So all that information tells me that this is probably still in an uptrend, probably at least for another 6 months to a year or more. So going down to the daily time frame. Now the question on the daily is whether this is an ABC correction and it's going to end the correction and continue up, or whether this is actually a wave C and it's going to drift down and end up looking like that before it continues up. The fact that we're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames tells me that there probably is a pretty good chance that this here is a wave C, that we probably are going to get a break of structure to the upside. We probably are going to get a higher low, and end up continuing up towards that $2,500 area. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement here. I would expect this move up right here to most likely be a correction to the move down. I would think that either way, whether this is a wave C or not, we should probably get at least one more push down. Then if it reverses, goes up, breaks structure, that should be the end of a correction and the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, more than likely than not, this is probably a corrective wave A. This is probably going to more likely than not drift up towards the 38% for a wave C. Now, with all the news we got coming out tomorrow, the dollar CPI and the dollar interest rate, I bet today is going to be very overlapping, very slow, very sideways. But I think it probably is going to make its way up towards the 38%. Then I think we'll probably get another push down. And then at the interest rate news tomorrow evening, if it goes up and if it breaks structure, that's going to be what I'm looking for to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Until that happens, you should probably still primarily be looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks, probably for the continuation of the uptrend, unless you're trading on a very short time frame. Then you could definitely be looking for longs to trade the wave C until you can identify the end of wave C, then go short for the wave 5 most likely. And then at the news, if it goes up and breaks structure, you can start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my live trading sessions and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.